How to fix Instagram story bad quality after uploading. If you've uploaded an Instagram story but it's in a really bad quality, right? So what do you do if you want to go ahead and then fix that? Now normally it might not be in bad quality, it could just be that your internet connection is slow, so it is not loading the story in full resolution. So make sure that's the case. But if it's really in a bad quality, there is no option to already change the quality for the already uploaded one. But what you can do is you can avoid this in the future by simply coming to your profile icon, tapping on the three lines option from the top right hand side to come to settings and privacy. And here you'll find many options, out of which you have to simply go to this option that says data usage and media quality. So you can click on this data usage and you can turn on this option that says upload at highest quality. So when you turn on this upload at highest quality option, next time whenever you go ahead and then upload a story to your Instagram, then basically it will upload in a better quality than previous one. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.